Chapra. Well, today we'll just discuss about cybercrime. As we can see that, well, in today's date, in today's modern era, this is very difficult to stay away from the internet. In day-to-day life, we just using internet on the daily basis, like for the searching, uploading, downloading. We're just using internet. But are you aware about what is the cybercrime? What is the cyber security? Is this important in today's date or not? So today we are just discussing on this topic. Let me introduce firstly that what is the cybercrime. The definition of the cybercrime is like the unauthorized access of your informations or your data. What is if you're just uploading your information, your personal information, your photo, documents, your age, your date of birth, even your bank account, you're just uploading on the internet. Okay, this can be stolen by any hackers because we are under a surveillance of that hackers. So that unauthorized access is known as cybercrime. Okay, as we can see the definition, cybercrime is basically an unauthorized access of another system and steal this information. It may include data about banks, as I said, banks accounts, your numbers also can be stolen by the hackers. And after that, some government data like government communication, the parliament communication, some of the viruses has been created by the hackers, which is the steal the parliament's documents. Okay, like the UK parliaments have been stolen by hackers also. So we'll discuss after that. Government communications, bank account, etc. And abusing someone on social media is also comes under the cybercrime. If you're just abusing on social media, Facebook, Twitter, lots of people used to do that. And in COVID-19 also, lots of person have abusing in online classes, disturbing their classes. These all are the activities comes under the cybercrime. After that, we will just know about the effect of the cybercrime. What is the effect and what types of data which is affecting on day-to-day basis in our country, not in our country also, but in the whole world. First is limits. Is there any limits of cybercrime? What do you think about that? No. Of course no, because it is unlimited. Internet, what is the internet? Internet is connected towards whole world, right? Whole world is connected through the internet. So there is no any limitations of the cybercrime. It can go personal, national and international level. Meanwhile, it can cross all the borders of the nation. Okay. After that, secondly, marketing. What is the marketing? Marketing is what that in today's date, modern date, all the business is going on internet. Like there is a application is godaddy.com, right? On that, we just used to upload our information of our business. So while we are just living in digital era, that's why organization is going digital to grow its business, which brings a threat of cyber breach. Meanwhile, your business accounts can also be hacked by the hackers. Third is world GDP. We all are aware about that. What is the GDP? Gross Development Productions, right?
Gross Domestic Product.
Okay, यहाँ से कट कर देना, ठीक है. A research found that nearly 1% of the world GDP, that is more than $1 trillion, is lost to cyber crimes of each year. That means every year $1 of the total world is going to save our documents from the cyber crime. This is the actually mean of this. Fourth is that war. Now how can we relate cyber crime from the war? Can you think about that? No. Cybercrime can steal any data, right? Even government data also. Like deploying of the military team on the border of the nations, it can also be stolen by the cybercrimes. Okay? So maybe in upcoming era, the era of AI, artificial intelligence, war will happen between two countries via internet through performing cybercrime. Means through just stealing your information, your private informations of the government can steal by the hackers of another countries. It can also be the hacking also. Okay. Then after we will just jump on humans. Is cybercrime affecting on the humans? Definitely yes, because lots of death happens because of cybercrime. A lot of personal data is stealing, hacked by the hackers, and then after, just people get to the suicide, attempting suicide. So 71.1 million people fall victim to cyber crimes yearly. It's create a fear in public to use of internet. People are losing trust from the internet. Why that is the main reason why the people losing interest, and that is trust. We always say that, because a lots of family doesn't allow you to upload your photo on the social media. Why? Because this is a reason. Okay. So now here we are just going to see how much money lost due to the cybercrime, and what will be the upcoming rate of the cybercrime in future. First, that per year $6 trillions goes in cybercrime damage cost per year, okay, and then month $500 billion. Week, we can see that week, day, hour, minute, per second is $190,000 rupees. And then after we just go, in 2023 there is a 11.50% of the cybercrime in around, just surrounded. We are just surrounded from the cybercrime. It is the percentage in 11.50. But in the upcoming years till 2027, it will be 23.82, and after that it will increase and increase. Now we will jump on the next slides. What will be the main source for the cybercrime? Like, there is any source, any way by which hackers is accessing our documents, our informations. They are just accessing us. Like, the main source by which they are accessing our documents is browsing. In day-to-day life, we are just use browsers, a lots of browsers. There is such browsers like Internet Explorers, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. There is also like Ace and Lynx, Conqueror, etc. What is the browser? Can you tell me? Anyone? Browser? Yeah, definitely. It is related to the web page. Browser is like a software which is ever created. It's the most important software which is ever created in the history, because it can connect throughout the world, and which just providing you data, whatever you are just searching. Okay. The main function and the main purpose of the browsing is that fetching the documents, whatever you are searching on the web page. Like, you are just requesting a web page on the web server, it will just retrieve the data from the web server and it will show to you. Okay, this is the main function of the browsings. So in day-to-day life, we are just browsing a lots of things. We are surfing a lots of things, documents, like data. Like, I'm just searching what is the cybercrime. Okay, on the web browsers. Like, I'm using Google Chrome. I'm searching what is the cybercrime. Let me make you understand how they are just storing my history. Okay, I will create my history from my side, from my cookies, definitely. But the web page is just getting to me. The web page I'm seeing on my display, there that cookies is also stored. Okay, the things which I'm searching is not limited to me. It's also that is going that website from where I'm searching. Okay, and then they are just active. A lots of hacker is active now also. Okay, and they're just getting surveillance of each and every persons over a long time. They are just surveilling the people. They are just watching us, and this what we are just searching. You know what, I will give the best example of the cookies. We are just fill up a form, right? It's a legal. Okay, it's not an illegal. Suddenly our just site is off and we have to go again. Then after we will find that they are just asking, you want to back up your documents, you want to back up your data. Google will ask to us and we just say yes. Then all the data comes again. This is the also like a cookies. Okay, Google also save the cookies, like any password we are using. Google asks that, can we save your password for the next time? Have you ever seen that?
Yeah.
Right? This is also the cookies. I asked that what is cookies, that's why I was asking. Okay, so that cookies is stored, and from that way the hackers just accessing our informations. This is the search engine basically. Google, Bing, Yahoo, Tab 13 is the India's most popular Tab 13 search engine. Okay, this is a search engine on which we just browsing the data. As I said, how hackers access to you. As I said, there is a definitions and which I have provided for you. There is a tools which is used by the hackers, like web bugs. They are just injecting web bugs while we are just active. We are just active right now, okay, on the, like I'm active on the social media right now, and I am uploading or I'm just going through the live sessions, okay. They're using to like sending a bugs on the website by which I'm just searching any data. So this is the things: click jacking, like jacking, HTTP cookies, zombie cookies. This is the tools for which they are using. After that, now what is the virus? We will jump on what is the virus. Virus is like a software which made for having access on someone's private data without his or her permissions. This is like a software which is making for accessing your data without your permission.
Is it really a software or something else?
No, it's a software. And firstly, it comes on the 1949.
What
Okay.
is the full form of virus?
Exactly, I didn't remember, but I will tell you after some times. Okay. It comes on the 1949, and that was name is Creeper, the Creeper. Okay, and it was the virus in the computer which is accessing your data's information, photos, MP3s, videos also. And for making stop, like for stopping that virus, the software engineers have created a new virus that was Reaper, which was working as antivirus. So what is the advantages of virus? We just discussing about disadvantages of virus. So I just want to make you understand there is also advantages of virus. Some people do serve as a white hat hackers, okay, under the surveillance of the government. See, so for them this is useful to access the information about future crime. Like there is a team in not our only country but in whole the country, there is a team who just sitting in the night also, and they are just listening your call records.
Yes.
Yeah, and if it can be like it can be benefits for that people who just want to stop that crimes. There is a movie also has presented by which you can see that. So what is the disadvantages? We are just all aware about the disadvantages. It is used by black hat hackers to blackmail someone or leaking the private information, which is very dangerous. Okay. So there is some worst viruses in history. First is My Doom, which has been lost like $38 billions, which was approximately $38 billions, which is 38 billion. Comes in 2004, and which is comes by through the mail. Okay, it's coming by the mail, and when you're just clicking that mail, it will just influencing your all the in all your data, in which whatever is presenting in your computer, available in your laptop, in system, in mobile phone also, it will destroy all the things. After that, there is a so big virus, which just creating the loss approximately $30 billions, comes in 2004. And there is an interesting virus, that is I love you virus, okay, which has created $10 billions. And this is also comes by the email, like it's also called as love letter virus or love bug. It is comes through the email in your computer, in your laptop, in your system. And you know what, it has getting all the information of Microsoft also company. And then after this is CIH, it has making lost $250 millions and comes in 1998. And then Sasser, like this